Holy shit. I just don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. Whoa! Whoa. What are you doing here? Did you leave this here? Do you suffer from loss of time, from cleaning up after a night of partying? Do you have a nosy neighbor that just won't butt out and leave you alone? Do you have problems with police knocking on your door late at night telling you to keep your noise down? I know I do, so you probably do too. Do you find yourself always busy and never have time to clean up after yourself? Or to clean up after your friends that make a mess? What should I do? I have a solution for most of your problems. What I would suggest is this 2-ounce bottle of Supervise This. In this little size bottle, Supervise This contains about 1,000 maids, ready to clean up whenever you need it. Now that's amazing. Can you imagine having 2,000 hands in this bottle, so close together, just waiting to get out and clean for you? Oh my God! I tell you, I got this lid on really tight. Even fits in your pocket. Now that's amazing. And I'm sure glad to have this. If you don't want to do any scrubbing, I suggest get the industrial size. But be careful. That stuff leaves a stain. That's our little secret. And I don't want to do any scrubbing. Today, I'll show you how Supervise This works. Good pizza. Somebody wasting beers. I bet you that was one of my friends that was over here last night. So easy. This thing's like having 10,000 maids. That's like 22,000 hands. Whoa, they asked you, how did those dishes get so clean? You can tell them. I scrubbed them. How did you get that carpet so clean? I scrubbed it. How did you fold those clothes without creases? I scrubbed them. How did you get that toilet bowl so clean? I scrubbed it. Those are simple answers to every question. You scrubbed it. But with Supervise This, there's no scrubbing at all. There's only squirting. And it's environmentally friendly and safe for all ages. Now, I hope you can keep a secret. Holy shit, that frickin' burns! Ugh. Well, now that I'm ready to get this place cleaned up, let's take a break. Do you got things to do? Because I'm ready to get clean. Supervise This. It's that easy.